Open. So Nadia, number 300, it's Makong Dimata. Ninyo Manyakap from Davao. Stanley na niya sabay, the captain bay, Nadia oh. Kuya Awa, ginitawan na web ay. And Terence Napat, Nadia. So magandang pakpakan to. Baby Lion, CG Maningo. Ray bait-bait. So Kimboy Pineda, Mitchell Rivera and Ambo Yaparcon. So manimanagan sa Expert Open. Herwin Don Carlos Bukidnon, 6th leg of Motor Race Series 2024. Manimanagan no. Ambo, Michelin, Kimboy, Ray, CG Maningo, Terence Napat, Stanley Lanyesa, DC Pineda, Ninyo Manyakap, and Makong Dimata.
Clear na. Oh, clear na ta.
Expert Open first hit.
Bakbakan na ni Michelin Rivera, Terence Napat na dire mga baktik. Oh, bye din. Ingon sa to, maniuto na lang niya. Oh, isa na lagi. Oh, mga tao mo ay labot atras.
30 seconds for this up. 15 seconds.
Starting line 125.
Waragi mo yan ah. Wow. Grabe. The whole shot King Boy Pineda. Ayan. Kuwara. Ayan.
Oh, patay lasta naman ka na. Nako na.
Wow, Maningo on the lead. Kimboy, Ray, Michelin, Stanley, Terence, Jesse, Makong.
Nako na, Maningo.
Ayan, Ninyo Manyakap.
And Carla, then Michelin Rivera, Stanley Lanyesa.
Ayun no.
And okay, nako na.
Baby Lion, CG Maningo on the lead. From Team Fujisan and Puton, Jinsan. Ayan, inside, outside, Ray. Wow. Expert person. Ayan. Wow. Ayan, Baby Lion leading all the way. Wow, Kimboy. Ayan. Kimboy Pineda, Ray Bete, Terence Napat, Michelin Rivera. Grabe bay.
CJ Maningo. Alright, CJ Maningo.
Ayan, CG Maningo on the lead. Wow. Ayan, Kimboy Pineda gyapon on second.
Okay, music operator, Punal kinanganal. Punal.
Ayan. Baby Lion, CG Maningo. Ayan, Ray Baitit na on second. Terence Napat, ikatulo. Ayan oh. Ayan. Michelin Rivera outside. Ayan. Wow. Ayan. Ray Baitit, Yapon on second. Terence Napat on third. Michelin Rivera on fourth. Kimboy on fifth. Stanley, Makong, JC, and Ninyo Manyakap and Ambo Yaparcon. So muna standing sa atong Expert Open first hit. Ayan, Baby Lion, CG Maningo leading. Ray Baitit, Terence Napat and Michelin Rivera. Wow. Walang pagbabago. Still CG Maningo on the lead. Ito, no? Ayan. Kimboy and Makong. Wow! Hoy, Teres Lapat, ikaduha na. Rai Baitin, ikatulo. Mitchell de Vera, ikaupat. Pumasok! Teres Lapat on second. Ayun, oh. So, still leading. Bibilayan. Hoy, ikatulo na, Mitchell de Vera. Ikatulo na, Mitchell de Vera. Ayan, inside. Inside. CG Maningo, breakaway na. Terence Lapat on second, on third it's Edsel Rivera. Expert Percy, expert open Percy. Tuwara. Ayan. Baby Lion, CG Maningo. Nangunguna sa lahat. Ayun, no? Yun. Ayan. Still leading CG Maningo. Teres Lapat and Mitchell Rivera. Rai Baitin on board. Kimboy and Makong. Walang pagbabago, walang pagbabago. Still Baby Lion on the lead from Santa Maria, Davao Occidental. Ayun. Followed by Terence Lapat and Mitchell Rivera. Tuwara. Rai Baitin, Kimboy and Makong. Ayan. Magandang laban, Mitchell Rivera versus Terence Lapat. Hoy. Still on the lead, Big Lion. Dikit ang bakbakan, The Hunter versus The Warrior. Ayun, no? Still on the lead, Baby Lion. Ayun, no? Ay! Oy, nakuha na si Teres Lapat ni Mitchell Rivera. Wara. Ayan. So, second na po, Mitchell Rivera. Second, Mitchell Rivera. Third, Terence Lapat. Ayun, no? Baby Lion, CG Maningo on the lead. Mitchell Rivera on second. Terence Lapat on third. White flag, Baby Lion, last lap, Baby Lion. Second, Mitchell Rivera. Third, Terence Lapat. Fourth, Kimboy, fifth, Makong 6-8. Rai bite it. Ayun, no? Stanley. Ambo. Yan, last lap. Last lap. Last lap. Baby Lion, CG Maningo. Last lap. Yan, Medicine Rivera on second. Terence Napa to third. Checkered flag for CG Maningo. Checkered flag. Ayan, checkered flag. Second, Medicine Rivera, third. Ayan, Ninyo Maniakap. Checkered, Gameboy, Makong, Rai and Jesse. Checkered flag. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching.